Application of rationalization. If x equal to 3 plus root 8, then find the value of x plus 1 upon x. Using this rationalization, we can find the value of x plus 1 by x. In this question, if x equal to 3 plus root 8, then find the value of x plus 1 by x. From the question, we know x equal to 3 plus root 8. Then 1 by x equal to 1 by 3 plus root 8. Now, we have to rationalize the denominator of this number. And we know multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate or rationalizing factor of 3 plus root 8. And we know 3 minus root 8 is the rationalizing factor of this denominator. So, 1 into 3 minus root 8 upon 3 plus root 8 into 3 minus root 8. And we know this is 3 minus root 8 by 3 square, that is 9, minus root 8 the whole square, that is 8. So 3 minus root 8 by 1 is the value of 1 by x. Now let us apply the value of 1 by x and x in the given question. That is, x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 plus root 8 plus 3 minus root 8. And we know root 8 cancel. So 3 plus 3, that's equal to 6. Now let us consider another application based question. If a and b are rational numbers and 3 plus root 7 by 3 minus root 7 is equal to a plus b root 7. Find the value of a and b. It is given 3 plus root 7 upon 3 minus root 7 is equal to a plus b root 7. And we know this is an equation. It has LHS and RHS part. From the RHS part, we have to find a value of a and b. From the question, we have 3 plus root 7 by 3 minus root 7 is equal to a plus b root 7. To find the values of a and b, we have to rationalize the denominator of the LHS. And we know to rationalize the denominator of an irrational number, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by the rationalizing factor of the denominator. And here the rationalizing factor of this denominator 3 minus root 7 is 3 plus root 7. So the equation becomes 3 plus root 7 into 3 plus root 7 by 3 minus root 7 into 3 plus root 7, that is equal to a plus b root 7. And this numerator is in the form of first identity. So we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is 3 square plus 2 into 3 into root 7 plus root 7 the whole square. And this denominator is in the form of third identity. So we can write 3 square minus root 7 the whole square. That's equal to a plus b root 7. Now we can solve this LHS part. 3 square, that is 9, plus 2 3s are 6 root 7 plus 7 upon 3 square, that is 9, minus 7 is equal to a plus b root 7. Now 9 plus 7, it is 16, plus 6 root 7 upon 2, that is equal to a plus b root 7. Now from these two terms we can take out 2 as common factor. Then 8 plus 3 root 7 upon 2, that is equal to a plus b root 7. Now this 2 and 2 cancelled. So the equation becomes 8 plus 3 root 7 is equal to a plus b root 7. See, LHS and RHS are in the same form. So we can write the value of a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 3. So the values of a and b are 8 and